Yeah, so today I want to tackle here this toilet tank lever repair. As you can see here, this lever is kind of broken. It doesn't always work and it seems like to almost fall off here. So let's take care of this. And the only thing that we really need here is here this replacement kit. You can find this here online or even in your local hardware store. This one cost about $5 here. So let's go ahead and start to replace this. And I do this first by shutting off here the supply valve. And then, since it's easier to work with an empty tank, I'm going to flush this. And now we have a look inside of the tank, and we see here on the inside we have this long lever. And at the end of this lever, that's where we have here this little chain that's hooked in. I'm going to remove this chain for now. And I'm going to put this aside until the end of this video. And now I'm going to take here 2 pairs of these channel locks. And I'm going to remove the old lever. And I do this by rotating here these plastic pieces clockwise, so not counterclockwise as you might expect. No, you have to rotate these clockwise in order to loosen them. Yeah, and then it is already time to install here the new lever. Just take them out of the box. It's just 2 pieces basically, and you push this lever here, this tip here, into the hole, through the hole into the tank, and you have to kind of fiddle it through here in case you're low on space there. See how I'm getting this in here until the lever inside is here horizontal. And then I put here this nut over the lever, and then here I tighten the nut by going here counterclockwise now. Not clockwise, you go counterclockwise in order to tighten this nut. I do this here just hand tight, pretty strong, so if you're not that strong you can use your channel locks again. Just make sure you don't break the plastic. And lastly, I'm going to take here this hook with the chain. I put this over the last hole here of the lever, and then I check that the chain is not too short and keeps the flap on the bottom here open, and also that when we push the lever we're going to open the flap. And then here the last step, we open the valve again and refill the tank. So we can have here this little test run. We make sure that everything works as expected. So here now that the water is flushing, and then also that the flap on the bottom eventually closes so that the tank can fill up again. Okay, so and then here lastly we are putting the tank cover back on, and we are done. Yeah, so I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, then please write something below, and don't forget to check out my other toilet repair videos.